How to remove WhatsApp Switch account. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial we're showing you how to remove WhatsApp Switch account. WhatsApp is a fantastic way to stay connected, but juggling multiple accounts can get confusing. So to remove WhatsApp Switch account, first open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Switch to your second account that you want to remove. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner and a menu will pop up. Tap Settings in the pop-up menu to access your profile and settings. Within your settings, tap on Account. Now look for the option that says Remove Account. WhatsApp will prompt you to confirm by showing the phone number associated with the account you're about to remove. Double-check to make sure it's the right one. Tap Remove Account again to confirm. Tap Remove. That's it. The secondary account will be removed from your device. You've successfully removed WhatsApp Switch account. Congratulations! With these simple steps, you can easily remove a WhatsApp Switch account and declutter your app. And this is how to remove WhatsApp Switch account. If you have any questions about removing a WhatsApp Switch account, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.